Everyone keeps asking me this one question: digital marketing or data analytics? And honestly, it sounds similar, but in reality, both are completely different. Hi, I'm Hazel and welcome back to Career Lift. I have been a digital marketer for over 5 years, and today I will break down the key difference between digital marketing and data analytics, so you can figure out which one actually suits you. Now, before going ahead, I just want to let you know that there's this institution which helps young individuals get a high paying job. I have added the link in the description. Now, digital marketing is all about attention and communication. आप कैसे लोगों तक पहुंच रहे हो, क्या बोल रहे हो, and how do you convince them to take action? As a digital marketer, you work with content, social media, ads, SEO, influencers, emails, basically everything that helps a brand grow online. The main question a digital marketer asks is, लोगों को कैसे attract करें और कैसे convert करें? It's a mix of creativity, strategy, trend understanding, and audience psychology. Now, data analytics is a different game. It's less about creativity and more about numbers and logic. Data analytics focuses on understanding what is actually happening behind the scenes. The data analyst looks at data, reports, dashboards, and patterns to figure out why something worked or why it failed. The key question here are, ये जो result आया क्यों आया? And next time better decision कैसे ले सकते हैं? It's all about insights, accuracy, and smart decision making. The easiest way to understand the difference is this. Digital marketing is all about doing the work, while data analytics is all about understanding the work. The digital marketer runs the campaign, creates the strategy, and communicates with audience. A data analyst then studies the results and tells the brand what worked, what didn't, and what can be improved. So, if you enjoy creativity, content creation, social media, and experimenting with ideas, digital marketing might be your thing. But if you like numbers, patterns, logic, and problem solving, data analytics could be a perfect fit. And remember, in both fields, salary and growth depend more on your skills than just certificates. रियलिटी ये है कि प्रैक्टिकल स्किल्स, प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड रियल अंडरस्टैंडिंग मैटर्स द मोस्ट. जो सीखता है, टेस्ट करता रहता है और इम्प्रूव करता रहता है, वही ग्रो करता है. सो रिमेंबर दिस: digital marketing brings the audience, data analytics explain why they came. And yes, if you're searching for the best digital marketing institute that can provide not just knowledge but also skills, confidence, and a high paying job, then I have added the link below in the description. If you find this video helpful, then like, comment, and subscribe to Career Lift. This is Hazel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.